Do a buttonhole using a simple, very basic sewing machine. Okay. Now this is your foot. You put your button here. Okay. This will ensure that your buttonhole is just the right measurement. Because otherwise, sometimes your buttonhole is small. You cannot put your button. If it's big, there's no purpose. The button is going to keep coming out. So no point in not measuring it. Yeah. So this foot will do that on its own. So put this down. Hold this. Now there is a lever over here which usually every machine has it. Whichever machine has a buttonhole maker will have this little function. Yeah. That says push, right? So you hear carefully when you push it. See, you hear the sound, tick sound. That means it's settled. So it's gone back and it's going to stay back. If this does not happen, that means it's not going to do your buttonhole. It's not going to do it properly. This function is very important. This is going to set the whole rectangle shape. Okay. Now once that is done, take your fabric. Okay, lift it. Wherever you've done the marking, the beginning of your button you should start from here. That means if your button is like this is where you're going to begin. This point must be at that starting point. Don't start from here, because if you start from here, you're going to go backward and the position is gone, right? So if you start from where your buttonhole is starting, put it down gently, press the foot, don't go too fast. The moment it starts sewing at the same place, that means your buttonhole is done, right? And make sure you just help your fabric, help your machine a little bit by pulling when it's going forward and pulling it from the backward when it's going forward.
But not too hard, right?
Not too hard. And then you pull this out. Now let's open this button. Now what you do is, here, just right at the edge, put your pin like this. Okay, and then you take your seam ripper, insert it and push it. Okay, you know why I put it? Because I don't want to accidentally cut this. This pin is going to ensure that it stays exactly where it should. It opens only until where we want this to open, right? And then whatever is this extra threads coming,